Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to airdrop from iPhone to iPhone. To airdrop from iPhone to iPhone, first of all, go ahead and turn on the airdrop on both of your iPhones. Go to the top right section of the screen and swipe down from it in order to open the control center. Now from the options, go ahead and tap on airdrop option. Now, select either contacts only or for everyone, and then go open up the app that holds the file or photo you want to send. After you open up the photo or file you want to share, click on the share button at the bottom left and click on airdrop. You should see other iPhone listed in this page. Tap on the name of the iPhone you want to send the item to, and the other person will get a notification to accept or decline the airdrop. Once they accept it, the file will be transferred. And that way, you will then be able to transfer the file or photo from your iPhone to another iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.